Hey, awesomes. Welcome to week 4. All right. So just when I think I'm over COVID, it comes back or ebbs and flows. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm going to get through this video. Now, I've posted one thing I want to let you know about this week real quick. I've already posted here. It says my videos, and I posted 3 that I recorded approximately a year ago. From this exact kind of same week, right? Same class. So I've got a week 4 over video from winter of 2022. I got a 2-part series on the rhetorical situation, as well as the slides that accompany those down here under the readings section for this week. So I wanted to kind of prep for that. There's not 2 week 4 videos, but the overview video from last year that I recorded kind of does a good introduction to the rhetorical situation. So I wanted to reuse that because then it flows nicely into how I looked at the rhetorical situation, especially for rhetorical analysis. I'm not for sure I could re-record them any better, so I'm going to reuse them. Plus, I'm just having trouble talking today, so forgive me for just reposting those. But make sure, I know that many of you, we've had discussions about the backpacks versus briefcases article that's mentioned in the Project 1 rhetorical analysis assignment sheet. So here it is finally. I thought it was posted, my bad, for you. The videos up there, number 2 and number 3, at least as they're listed right now, they'll probably be number 3, number 4 by the time you guys watch it. The 2 rhetorical situation videos look at Carol's backpacks and briefcases in the rhetorical situation very, very well, and helps after you read that or while you're reading it to look at those videos, really help you tease out the specific details that she brings out, that Carol brings out in that article. It's really, really, really good reading for helping understand. So when we think about rhetorical situation, we talk about context, right? We talk about constraints, right? We talk about audience. We talk about all these things. What are we meaning in terms of rhetorical analysis to help you think about? Because recall, in the rhetorical analysis assignment, there's a paragraph, there's a section in there, right? You need to address what's the rhetorical situation. Right. And this will help with that this week. So don't think I left you hanging. There's a lot of moving parts and pieces to the rhetorical analysis assignment. I think sometimes it can be one of the tougher ones to write. And but I also think it's one of the most fun. But anyway, so real quick, here's where you should be. Here's where you should be. You should have your article, right? With your ethos, pathos, pathos, logos last week. I know you're finishing up a lot of your posts right now because I'm recording this. It's Sunday. The initial posts that I'm reading, your first posts, are really good. Picking out whichever one your favorite one is, right? It's a really good idea to have an understanding of those 3 when you're going to need to address them also in your analysis, as well as the rhetorical situation. And of course, flash forward to next week, right? We'll be looking at arguments, types of arguments. All the things that you need. So each week we're kind of putting another piece together, and it'd be a good idea if you have your article, right? Virtual, or if you print it out, or however you want to do it, start making notes, right? As you're learning about these concepts, be making notes to those things. Okay, here's where I found ethos. Okay, here's my ethos, right? Maybe you already go back into your article, right? You can go back in and actually start looking at pathos, right? So recall your article should come from a Time Magazine article somewhere online, right? Preferably something that's perhaps taking a side on an issue, right? That's arguing something very, very specifically, as opposed to a quote unquote fluff piece. Just makes it easier, especially when you're writing rhetorical analysis, perhaps for the first time. So you should have those things. If you're having trouble with getting an article or finding an article or anything like that, please do not hesitate to let me know. And we'll get you all set. All right. Let me make sure I've got this here. So you got your backpacks versus briefcase article. That's a mouthful. Read chapter 16. I know you guys have it probably digitally. Mine is a hard copy. And then those number 3 and number 4, with the readings, are the accompanying slides that you should see, that you will see in the videos. All right, guys, I wish you a most wonderful week. Of course, I'll be in touch throughout the week. Happy discussion posting if you're watching this today before you finish posting. And happy watching the videos and learning about the rhetorical situation. As always, if you have any questions or if there's anything else I can do to help, please do not hesitate.